How to easily remove AI from Google search results. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to show you how you can remove AI from your Google search results in just few simple steps. So first things first, open up a Google Chrome and then search for what you want to search on the search bar. So go ahead and tap on your search, and then you can see that AI overview is on the top. That means the answers are AI generated. Now, if you want to remove it, what you need to do is go back to the search bar again and give a space, and then tap on hyphen on the keyboard and write AI. And now hit the search bar again, and there you go, the AI overview has been removed. So if you do not want AI results, then after your question, put a space, hyphen, and AI. And that's it. That's how you can remove AI from Google results. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.